feel it's time that you should know. This bar's about to close.
This evening, from this beautiful venue, we take ourselves out of our usual routine of daily life to witness a unique moment in the lives of Brian and Brianna as they join their lives in the union of marriage.
I'm very proud of her, of what she's achieved and she's accomplished in life. To achieve those goals along with finding Brian. Brianna, I love you so much, and I know you're in good hands.
Give my heart to you. Would you?
Dad and I are proud of the people that you and Bree have become, and it's been amazing to witness the life you've built together. And this is what my father said at my wedding: to love and all it can be.
La la la, we should try our best to get away. Paris, New York, it's all the same. 'Cause either way we need a change.
I am honored to be the first to present to you Mr. and Mrs. Hayashida.
To me.
You guys did a really great job raising these kids. They're amazing friends.
Upana pakana ikitera. Hey! I guess you say what can be.
Brian, I have been blessed to have you in my life for the past 11 years. I promise I will support you in everything you do, even your frisbee golf. I promise to love you through the good and the bad, and I promise to continue to work on being the best wife. I love you, and I can't wait to create more memories together and spend more time together.
Brianna, I promise to be your partner in all things, not possessing you, but working with you as a singular unit. For in your arms, I have found home. In your eyes, I have found compassion. In your heart, I have found love. And in your soul, I have found a perfect match for my own.